Hey everybody, so we are going to do a southern squash casserole tonight. So we're starting out with a tablespoon of butter, and then you want about 6 cups of squash cut up. You cut it up whatever size you want. Those 2 pretty big squashes. Some onion. You can mince it however you want to do it. And then we're just going to cook this till it's softened. You'll want 1 grated carrot, 1 package or box of herbed dressing, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, and some sour cream that I have in the refrigerator, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. So we're just gonna cook this until it's tender. We are having chicken wings, spinach salad, and squash casserole. So I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees while I do this. So we're going to get this softened, and after it's cooked we will add salt and pepper. And just mix everything up in a bowl and put it in a buttered casserole. So I am going to just let this cook and get soft, and we'll be back. Okay, so our squash, I don't know if I said sausage. If it gets a little chaotic, air conditioner guy is here. So hopefully the dogs don't go nuts. So our squash is softened. I'm going to add salt and pepper to your taste. Someday I'll get a pepper grinder that actually works. I'll just go back to grinding it and putting it in my little holder. Salt grinder works great. And I bet if I switched them, I'd have the same problem with the pepper and the salt grinder. All stirred up. And I forgot to mention, it'll bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees, and after 30 minutes we're gonna, oh, you can't see a thing. Sorry about that. So we'll add some grated cheese to the top after it's baked for about 30 minutes. So we are going to mix. Things got too chaotic for me, too fast. So 1 cup of sour cream, or 8-ounce container. One can cream of chicken soup, Did y'all hear what the Justine is doing up there in Canada? They're going to have like a climate police armed like Gestapo. I'll put that article down below. A lot of news out there, and none of it is good. And my husband and I would like some money back on our student loans that we paid off. He was 40 years old. I remember when he paid his off. Add our grated carrot. It's just 1 carrot grated. And mixy. There are so many versions of this recipe. Some people layer it. Some people add pimento. So if you wanted to, you could mix the butter with the stuffing mix, put half of it at the bottom of the pan, add your vegetable mix, and then add the other half of your stuffing mix on top and bake it. Okay, now we are going to add our vegetables. Stir it up. Okay, this going in and out is letting flies in now. Don't you hate it when people come to do something at dinner time and everybody's needing something and you're like, oh my God. I'm trying to make dinner and do a video. Okay, so I have my pan buttered. Going to add the stuffing mix. And my butter. Mix it in. And you want to make sure you use a stuffing that has sage in it. You could always add some if you want. Okay, casserole. Get all that goodness in there. And I'll grate some cheese for the top. Dishes washed from this little casserole. pop this in the oven. So 30 minutes, 350 degrees, and then top it with some cheese. And I will see you when this is bubbly and hot and ready to eat. Okay, our casserole is ready for cheese. It's smoking hot. Top it with some cheese. You can put as much cheese as you want. I just cut off a chunk and grated it. And we'll pop it back in the oven, and you can leave it on for, however you like your cheese. My husband likes it a little bit brown. Back in the oven, and I will show it to you when it's coming out and we make our plate. Okay, there's our casserole. Turn off the oven. Get this served up. And it's smoking hot. I literally just took this out. So there's dinner. A spinach salad, wings, and the casserole, and I will make my plate and we will come back and taste this stuff. Okay, let's taste this oaky casserole. So hot, you guys. So hot. My husband's in there hot. Hot. Here it goes. Like he said, hot. It's good. Try it if you're getting a lot of squash and you need new recipes. Try this one. Something good, something different, something southern or southwestern. I don't know. It's oaky. It's an oaky recipe. So anyways, I will post that article down below. Another one about chipping the children. And you all stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.